Hello, I'll be doing a trigonometric identity test prep because we have and it's methods because I have a methods test coming up. First, let's do a question. A question. Questions basically says 2 cos 3x take pi over 3 plus square root 2 equals 0, and the domain is 0 x 2 pi. And people will use the changing domain form, but I like the general equation form better because general equation form you can do it more algebraically instead of like thinking too much. Everything's on paper. I like it. So first we're gonna rearrange it to make it like a normal thing, right? Like a normal trig. What is this? Like a trig question? Negative square root 2 over 2. Because I put that there, move that there. Yeah, that's that. And then normally I don't know. So teachers most likely they'll teach you to like make that you put 3x into there and then you change the domain. I'm not doing that. I'll just do this. I don't know. This is also a common method of doing these things. And now we will have two answers from this, and yeah, I'll just show you using a unit cycle because it's easier for it to be negative, this or here. So then we know that's 45, which is pi on 4, pi on 4. Okay, that's that. So 3 pi x take pi over 3 equals, so that's basically just 3 pi on 4 plus 2k pi, or is 3x take 3 pi on 3 equals 5x 4. I just sneezed. Okay. 2k pi. Okay. And so now we will have to rearrange it. So these two are the general equations we will have. Let's just move the pi over 3 over first. And actually, yeah, we can do this. So we'll time these two. These two, we want them to add or to subtract, right? So we have to make them the same denominator. So we're making it 12. So it will become 9 pi over 12 plus 4 pi over 3 plus 2k pi 3x equals, that's 15 pi over 12 plus 4 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Now divide everything by 3. Wait, yeah. So do x equals 9 pi over 36 plus, actually no, that's not right. That should be 12 now, yeah. Pi over 3, yeah. We'll add it first, because that's more important. Okay, that's 13 pi over 12. That becomes 19 pi over 12. Yeah. Yeah, it becomes 1390, yeah, plus 2k pi. Yeah, okay, now we can move the 3 to the other side. Now it's easier. So 13 pi over 36. We'll make 2 pi 36 as well because this is a final thing. It's easier to add the k. So that becomes 72k pi over 36. I'm not even close. Okay, x equals, but that becomes 19 pi over 36 plus 72k pi over 36. And first we can sub k as, so normally I would write like k is all integers. Okay, that's it. And then now we can start writing our answer. So let's first write this one, right? So that just becomes, for k is 0, so 13 pi over 36. And know that our limit is 72 because it's 2 pi, right? Our limit is 2 pi. So we'll write that there. I forgot to divide by 3. My bad. So after we divide by 3, divide by 3 here. 72 divided by 3, that's 2, 6, 12, 4, 24. My bad, my bad. That should be 24 because we forgot to divide by 3. Yep, and I was like, if one rotation goes over the limit, that's not very possible because 3x and 3x should be like 6 solutions at least. That becomes 37 pi over 36, just over 1 pi, and then that becomes, and then we'll put 2, so that's 48. 48 should be 61. 61 pi over 36. For our second row, which is this one, it should be 19 pi over 36 first, and 43 pi over 36, and it's 48 again. 48, it'll be 58. 58 plus 9 is 67. Okay, 67 over 36. So that just means x equals 13 pi over 37, 19 pi over 37, 37 pi over 37, 36, 37 pi over 36. My bad. Can't really speak today. Yeah, okay. 61 pi over 36, 67 pi over 36. That's the answer for the first question. And I have a third. I said I have a second question, but I don't like it that much, so I tweaked it a bit, and I have to go find it. Let me find it. Okay, yeah, here. Cause this will be your first time of me doing it. I might get it wrong, but yeah. So the first one says sine x plus pi over 4 equals square root 2 cos x plus pi over 6. Yep, and it's the same domain, 0, 2 pi. Yep, and now we'll just expand it with our trigonometric identities. Cos 4 plus cos x sine cos x cos sine and the sine's flip because it's cos, and that becomes sine x of square root 2 over 2 plus cos x square root 2 over 2 equals square root 2 cos x. That's literally square root 3 over 2 minus sine x. That is just a half. And we move this to this side. That just becomes 1 over 2 sine x. 1 over 2 cos x. Cos x. 3 over 2 take sine x. And the sine to this side, and maybe the cos to this side. That will make, that just makes sine x equals cos x 3 over 2 take 1 over 2. Yep, and we can move that to that side, so that's sine x over cos x. Yep, and that's just cos, so we do want that. So that's square root 3 take 1 over 2. Tan x equals square root 3 take 1. over 2. And now it's basically, so we can move that to that side and you divide. So it's 2 tan x, 2 tan x equals 3 minus 1. That becomes 2 sine x, and so apparently I can't really do this anymore because square root of 3 is 1.7, right? Take 1 is just 0. It's like around 0.7 over 2, which is inside our inside our unit cycle. So it will be a logical answer. So we can't say x tan x have to be 0, since that's not how it works. So now is so what we can do is we can just write the answer right now. This is a stupid question. I don't know who made it. So apparently that's the answer. So x have to just be tan square root of 3 take 1 over 2. And to get the second answer, because it's inside one rotation, we'll just have to find tan inverse square root of 3 take 1 over 2 plus pi. Apparently that's the answer. I know that's stupid, but normally they'll give you a better number than square root 3 take 1 over 2. If they give you a better number, you can actually find the answer. For example, if it's square root 3, you can obviously find the answer because it's just 60. And actually, it's just 60 and also 180 plus 60, 240. That's that for this question. I know it's not that good, but that's question's a question. All right, bye bye. Hope you learned something or whatever. Yeah, all right.